Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A 150 MW solar portfolio just lost 2.3 million euros in valuation during due diligence. The reason was incomplete O&M data spanning 18 months. If you manage a solar portfolio over 30 MW and think your data strategy can wait, this will change your mind. In 2026, buyers aren't just kicking tires on PPA contracts anymore. They are running forensic level data audits before the LOI is even signed. Three data gaps are killing deals right now. First, incomplete availability records that can't prove your 98% claim. Second, missing defect histories that raise red flags about deferred maintenance. Third, inconsistent performance data across the portfolio that suggests operational blind spots. A 100 MW portfolio trading at 85 cents per watt should command 85 million euros. Buyers are applying a 5 to 10% valuation haircut for data risk alone. That's 4 euros 20 cents to 8.5 million euros off your price. Deal delays add costs too, with every extra month in due diligence costing about 200,000 euros. Three recent deals didn't just get discounted, they collapsed because technical advisors couldn't validate historical performance. AI agents and drone inspection change everything. At ClearSpot, we deploy autonomous AI agents that structure data for M&A readiness. Our drone inspections capture thermal and RGB imagery across your portfolio in days, not months. AI agents classify every defect, track remediation history, and maintain a continuous performance ledger. Think of it as a technical advisor embedded in operations 365 days a year. Tip one, start building your data room now, not when you get a buyer call. Include time-stamped inspection reports, availability logs by site, and defect remediation records. Tip two, implement automated drone inspections quarterly to build a defensible timeline of asset condition. Tip three, use AI agents to validate performance data against your PPA obligations before due diligence. Sophisticated investors now ask for real-time availability dashboards and defect density trends over time. They also want mean time to repair metrics and proof you're using predictive maintenance. If you can't produce these in a board pack within 48 hours, you're signaling operational immaturity. That signal costs money. If you manage over 30 MW and want to see how data ready you are, download our portfolio data readiness report at clearspot.ai/portfolio-report. The report benchmarks your state against M&A standards and includes a scoring framework and gap analysis template. Stop treating data as an afterthought. Your next valuation depends on it. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.